Beneath the moon's cold steely light, we sailed through waters dark as night, with magnetic north as our lone guide, seeking treasure where the lost tides hide. Clean waters cloaked in mystery hold tales of ancient history. With every cast our nets would splay, magnet fishing neath the ocean spray. Pirate booty buried deep, knowledge kept where darkness seeps. High seas whisper tales so kind, lost treasures we're determined to find. Fishing ships on weathered decks, charts and maps, the years we collect. A compass wavers, but we steer true to the secrets only oceans knew. Kindness shines in dusky glares, among the dangers, woes, and scares. Explorers' hearts so pure and brave seek the fortune neath the tidal wave. Beneath the waves, the past undressed, golden dreams in watery chest. While the sharp wind twists our sails, we push through dark and storied gales. Pirate booty buried deep, knowledge kept where darkness seeps. High seas whisper tales so kind, lost treasures we're determined to find.